Welcome to CurateFx. With our secure, cloud-based software, you can define, design, scope, and collaborate on business scenarios, ecosystems, and products. Upon logging in, you'll find all of your projects in front of you. Today, we're going to focus on our Smart Parking project. Smart Parking helps people find parking spaces more efficiently, cities reduce traffic, and parking garages increase revenue. So there are a lot of stakeholders involved. You can apply roles to each stakeholder and add or remove them with ease. The next step in defining your project is creating your business drivers and your value propositions, so it's clear what the benefits are for everyone. With multiple parties involved, collaboration is key. With CurateFx, it's easy for anyone involved in a project to leave a comment and make changes. Your business canvas gives you an overall view of your project and can be color-coded for easier navigation. When you've fully defined your ecosystem, it's time to design and capture the interactions and relationships between your stakeholders. Start by adding your stakeholders, changing the shapes and colors to help you differentiate between them. Make connections between the appropriate stakeholders, and soon you'll have something like this. Then it's time to scope your project. This enables you to create and present a structured analysis of exactly how the business will operate. Assign stakeholders to certain processes. And use the filter functionality to show only the processes relevant to you at that time. When you put all the pieces together, you have a well-defined and clear set of requirements that business and technical teams will benefit from. Create your own ecosystem and digital transformation projects with tmforum.org/CurateFx.